Please mention your name and roll number in chat box. Do not forget. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. So let us quickly recall what we have seen last time. We have started with application of matrices in 2D and 3D transformations, out of which we have started with 2D transformations. Okay. So what are transformations? So changing something to something using some rules. Okay. And in mathematics, that rule can be a function or a relation or a matrix transformation. Okay. And geometrically, they can be translation, rotation, scaling, shear, and so on. Okay. So applications in 2D. First is translation of a vector. So x old comma y old is a given vector. You can translate that vector uh, by an amount tx and ty respectively in those two components, and that resulting vector will become x new, which is equal to x old plus tx, and y new will become y old plus ty. Okay, so you can see that this image is get translated by certain amount uh, of tx and ty. Okay, and this is the new image what we have got. All right. Then second that we have seen is scaling of a vector. So you multiply by some factor, and that factor is called as sx. Okay, to a given vector sx comma sy. If you multiply to a vector x old and y old, you will get x new and y new vector, which will scale or which will resize your object, okay, or your vector. So what can you say about the size if your scaling is between 0 to 1? Okay, what can you say about size? It will decrease, right? If your scaling factor sx comma sy is between the interval 0 to 1, then this size will decrease. Do you believe that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So this was scaling. Then third is rotation of a vector about origin. All right. So just understand whatever I'm saying. So let x comma y be the given vector, okay, which makes an angle phi with positive x-axis, which makes an angle phi with positive x-axis. If it is rotated by an angle theta additionally, if it is rotated by an angle theta additionally, the resulting vector is x dash comma y dash. Okay, x dash comma y dash, and our target is to find out x dash and y dash okay coordinates. All right, now this origin O, let this point be P of xy, and that OP distance is suppose R. Okay, if you draw perpendicular from this point P on x-axis, so you will have a triangle O, P and say Q. Okay, O, P and Q. So this OQ distance is nothing but your x distance, isn't it? If this is O, this is P, and this perpendicular is PQ, then this OQ distance is your x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how do you get it? What will be cos phi?
Cos component.
Yeah. What will be cos phi? This
Adjacent upon hypotenuse.
X by R.
x by r. Good. So x by r is nothing but cos phi. So x is equal to r cos phi. All right. What about sin phi?
Y by R.
Y by r. So therefore y will become r sin phi. Do you got the point? How do I get this x comma y in terms of phi? R phi actually.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So x is equal to r cos phi, y is equal to r sin phi, where r is magnitude of this vector, that is under root x square plus y square. Okay, under root x square plus y square. Now, if we rotate this vector by an angle theta, so we will have resulting vector x dash y dash. And how do you represent it? How do you represent it? R cos of this phi plus theta, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
similarly, y dash is equal to r sine of phi plus theta. Okay. So expand this cos of phi plus theta. What will happen? Tell me. Cos of a plus b. If you have notebook with you, please
Sir.
write it down. Yeah.
Cos phi sin
हाँ.
theta minus cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta.
So x dash is equal to r into bracket. What is cos of a plus b? Yes.
Cos A cos B minus
Cos
sin
A cos B minus sin A
Cos A
sin
cos
B.
B minus sin A sin B.
So cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please write it down. X dash is equal to r into cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta. What about y dash? Y dash is equal to, what is sine of a plus b?
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So r into bracket sin phi cos theta plus cos phi sin theta. Okay. So now you multiply by r inside that bracket. So x dash is equal to r cos phi cos theta minus r sin phi sin theta. Isn't it? If you multiply by r inside that bracket. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Yes, can sir. you repeat?
See, cos of phi plus theta is cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta. Okay, that is inside the bracket. Now you multiply by this r inside that bracket. So that will become x dash is equal to r cos phi cos theta minus r sin theta, r sin phi sin theta. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And similarly, y dash is also r sin phi cos theta plus r cos phi sin theta. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is r cos phi? Look at x dash. What is r cos phi? X.
X.
So x dash is equal to x cos theta minus
Minus y sin theta.
y sin theta. What is y dash? R sin phi. What is r sin phi? Y. So y cos theta plus what is r cos phi? X. So x sin theta. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here it is. X dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now, how do you write? X and y was my original vector. Okay, theta was the angle of rotation. Theta was the angle of rotation. So how do you write this in terms of matrix? Can you tell me? Resulting vector x dash y dash is equal to. Can you tell me angle of the matrix of rotation?
Sir, is it x cos theta?
X cos theta,
minus
X
y
sin
cos
theta, Y sin theta, Y cos theta.
Okay. Anybody else?
Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta.
Okay. Into another matrix?
Into xy.
Into xy. Good. Good. Okay. So which is mentioned on another slide. Here it is. Okay. Xy is my given vector, and this is matrix of rotation, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta, and I will get resulting vector after rotation by an angle theta, that is x cos theta minus y sin theta, and x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is important. Okay. Now whatever may be theta, you can find out resulting vector. All right. This is very much important in 2 dimension. We are going to see rotation in 3 dimension as well, but just understand rotation in 2 dimension. Okay, this is the scaling which we have seen. Sx and Sy are the factors by which we are going to scale the components x and y. So resulting will be Sx x and Sy into y. Okay, and this is translation. Xy is the original vector. You have translated x by an amount tx and y by an amount ty. Resulting vector is x plus tx, y plus ty. Please write down these 3 matrices. So this Sx, Sx0, 0, Sy is called as matrix of scaling. This cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta is called as rotation matrix, which is very famous. And this tx, ty is called as translation matrix. काय झालं? Copied?
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah. Do you understood this whole thing? Yes, do you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All these things you can see in your engineering graphics. Probably in next trimester you have engineering graphics as one of the subject.
Sir, engineering graphics and engineering drawing is the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what else you can do with a vector? You can take its reflection about x-axis. So if your vector is in first quadrant, say x comma y, if you take its reflection about x-axis, what will be resulting vector? Don't look at that matrix. If x comma y is the vector in first quadrant, if you take its reflection about x-axis, what will be resulting vector?
X comma
Sir, X
minus
positive,
y.
Y negative.
X comma minus
Yeah,
y.
x comma minus y. Okay, so here is there is a matrix of reflection. So consider 2 by 2 matrix 1 0 0 minus 1 and take a point x comma y in a plane and write it as a column vector xy. If you do the transformation ax, that is 1 0 0 minus 1, your resulting vector is x comma minus 1 x comma minus y, and that is called as reflection about x-axis, and this matrix is called as a reflection matrix. Okay, this matrix is called as a reflection matrix. So write down this matrix. This is easy, isn't it? Copied?
Just a minute, sir. Just
1 minute, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me reflection matrix about y-axis? If you have a vector xy, if you take its reflection
Minus
about
x
y,
comma y.
Sir,
Minus
negative x
XY.
and positive y.
negative
Minus
x and
XY.
positive y, that is resulting vector. Can you tell me corresponding matrix of reflection?
minus 1 0
Minus
0 1.
Yeah, minus 1 0 0 1.
Sir, can you show the previous slide 1 second before
Okay.
this about the trigonometric?
Yeah.
1 minute, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yeah. I finished this one. Can you go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the figure to understand. If this is a leaf, its reflection about x-axis will be like this. Okay. Then reflection about y-axis. If you have point P, you can see it here. So its reflection about y-axis, that is P dash or P dot. All right. And the matrix of reflection is -1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Please note this down. Reflection about y-axis. If xy is the vector, given vector, its reflection about y-axis is -x comma y, which is obtained by the matrix -1, 0, 0, 1 into xy equal to -x comma y. Okay. Can you go ahead?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we come to the last point of this whole unit, that is a rotation of a vector in 3 dimension. All right. So just pay attention to a slide. I will give you time to write. Okay. So consider a point P whose coordinates are x, y, z. Okay. With respect to the axis x, y, z. So they are denoted by small ox, oy, oz. All right. This is the point P. Okay. And with respect to this new x, y, z. Okay. What is difference between small xyz and new xyz? Yes, anybody?
So they are the transformed coordinates.
Okay, transformed. Okay, what exactly we did in transformation? Can you see the figure?
Rotation.
Yeah. Okay, we have rotated by certain amount. Okay, and that is theta. Okay, we have rotated that system, complete system, by an angle theta. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my new coordinate system is, you can see this capital X, this capital Y, and this capital Z. Okay. So which is mentioned here. So with respect to another system OX, OY, OZ, that point P is called as X, Y, Z. So can you tell me what is our target in this particular slide?
Find
Yes.
the final coordinates.
To find the coordinates or representation of this capital X, Y, and Z. Okay, this is our target. To find this capital X, Y, Z in terms of small x, y, z. All right, got it? Idea is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, if axis of rotation is Z axis, that means we are rotating about Z axis. All right. So if you consider the point P in XY plane, because axis of rotation is Z. Okay. So Z remains same. Z remains same. So only XY is changing. So X is equal to R cos phi and Y is equal to R sin phi. from this. Okay, if you consider it in xy plane, you will get coordinates x is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. All right. Now, if angle of rotation is theta, so can you tell me coordinates of this capital X? Looking at that figure, what will be coordinates of this capital X?
R cos minus theta, cos of phi minus theta.
Okay, r into cos of this phi minus theta. Okay, that will be representation of this capital X. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. What about this capital Y?
R sin phi minus theta.
Okay, r into sine of phi minus theta. So now you expand it. So cos of a minus b. What is cos of a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay.
Sir.
So cos phi cos theta plus sin phi sin theta. Then y ka representation is r into what is sin of a minus b? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So y is equal to r into sin phi cos theta minus cos phi sin theta. Okay. So x is equal to, now you multiply by this r inside. So you will have r cos phi cos theta plus r sin phi sin theta. Okay. Similarly, y is equal to r sin phi cos theta minus r cos phi sin theta. Okay. Now what is r cos phi? Is small x, isn't it? Yes. This r cos phi is small x, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
Yes, sir.
r sin phi is small y. So substitute these values. So capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay. Minus x sin theta. If you write this term as first term, that will become minus x sin theta and plus y cos theta. And z remains same. Z is small z. Okay, because it's an axis of rotation. So tell me its matrix representation. Can you tell me 3 by 3 matrix? Capital X, Y, Z is equal to. Tell me 3 by 3 matrix.
So cos theta, sin theta 0,
Okay.
minus sin theta, cos theta 0,
Okay.
and 0, 0, z.
0, 0, 1.
Yes, 1, sorry.
0, 0, 1. Good. Very good.
Yes.
All right. So which is mentioned on this slide. So capital X, Y, Z ka representation after a rotation by angle theta is cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1 into original vector x, y, z, small x, y, z. Okay. So this is about the rotation about z axis. Okay. So can you tell me the rotation matrix for the rotation about x axis? Tell me. Anybody? Any smart answer?
So it will be nearly same. On the first row we will have 0, 0, 1. Then we have on the second row we will have.
Is it 0, 0, 1? Are you sure?
1, 0, 0.
So 1,
If you write
0, 0.
0, 0, 1, then z is changing, no?
Yes, I got that. Over,
Yeah.
1, 0, 0.
Okay, so first row is 1, 0, 0. All right. What about second row?
0 cos theta, sin theta,
0 cos theta sin theta. Very good.
and 0 minus
0
sin
minus
theta,
sin
and
theta
cos theta.
cos theta.
Okay. So here it is. So about x-axis, it will become 1, 0, 0, 0 cos theta sin theta, 0 minus sine theta cos theta. Okay. Similarly, if you do the same derivation for a rotation about y-axis, you will get cos theta 0 minus sine theta 0 1 0 sine theta 0 cos theta, okay, into the original vector x y z. Okay, is everything clear? I'll give you time to write so that you can copy everything, because questions will be there on this particular topic. Okay, is everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me give you time to write so that you can write everything. Okay, write in your words. You can minimize, or you can write in short.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if we add the scalar multiples of these three matrices together, will we get the rotation about origin
Scalar multiple of.
of say transformation matrix of about x-axis, about y-axis, and about z-axis?
No, I didn't get your questions exactly.
Sir, so if we take the transformation matrix about x-axis,
Rotation. You mean rotation?
rotation matrix about x, about y, and about z,
Okay. Three matrices. Okay. Huh.
matrices, and if we add the scalar multiples with each other,
Okay. So you multiply by k to each of the.
yes, we multiply by k to each of the matrices,
Okay.
and then will we get the rotation about the origin by this?
Origin by what?
By this operation.
There will be scaling. There will be rotation by an angle theta, but the resulting vectors x, y, z will be scaled by the factor k.
Okay, sir. So then if we just multiply by 1, then we'll get pure rotation about any
Yeah, any axis. So k is equal to 1, then it will be simply rotation. If you change k, then it will scale that vector. That small x will change to something else.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. So
Yeah.
the addition matrix represents for all three, for about any axis.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll share this PDF with you today.
Sir, can you also share the video or lecture which you had on Saturday, the revision lecture?
I didn't record it.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yeah.
But nothing new was taught.
No,
So
no.
it's okay.
Nothing new was taught.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Can you go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Now, if we have a rotation of a vector x, y, z, and at the same time, if origin is shifted to from 0, 0, 0 to UVW, then how to get resulting vector capital X, Y, Z? Okay, so this is a transformation for that. Now, obviously, you will say that, sir, why this additional one is there? Anybody? Can anybody answer this question? Why this additional one is there? Okay.
Sir, so that the multiplication of matrix is possible.
Right, right, good. Okay, for dimension. Okay, so then and only then this multiplication is possible. So read it carefully. Let P of x, y, z be the coordinates of given point. Okay, and origin is shifted from 0, 0, 0 to UVW. Axis of rotation is z, and our target is to find out new coordinates x, y, z. Okay, so that is given by this rotation matrix about z. Okay, this 3 by 3 matrix, you can check, that is rotation matrix about z. Then minus u minus v minus w, all right, and multiply it by x, y, z, and at last 1. Okay, and then you will have resulting vector capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Now, if similar question is asked and axis of rotation is say x axis, so what will you do? What will be the changes? Can you tell me?
So it will be 1, 0, 0 minus u.
Yeah, okay, so the only change is in rotation matrix. This minus u minus v minus w will remain same. This rotation matrix is rotation about x axis. Okay, this matrix will change only. And similarly, if question is about y axis, then this rotation about y axis will change, and this minus u minus v minus w will remain same. That's what I have mentioned. If axis of rotation is changed, then only rotation matrix, that is first 3 columns, will change. Everything else remains same. Okay, fine. So just take screenshot or copy this matrix, because questions are there on this change of scale or shifting of origin. See, previous discussion was about the origin. Okay. In this discussion, that origin is shifted to UVW. Then what will be the resulting vector capital X, Y, Z? That will be the question. Can you go ahead? Yes, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the first example. Obviously, this is very trivial. You don't have to do anything. Find the reflection of vector -1, 2 and 3, -2 about x-axis. All right. So you can use matrix, or you can simply take its reflection about x-axis. So what is the reflection of -1, 2 about x-axis? Yes.
-1, -2.
Good. Okay. So reflection of -1, 2 about x-axis is -1, -2. Okay. Using matrix also you can get it. So my reflection matrix about x-axis is 1, 0, 0, -1. Okay. Now this was my given vector -1, 2. So do this matrix multiplication. So you will have -1, -2 is the resulting vector. What about 3, -2?
3, 2.
3,
2.
okay. So again, same 1, 0, 0, -1 is the reflection matrix, and 3, -2 is a given vector. So do this matrix multiplication. You will have 3, 2, which is a reflection about x-axis. Okay. It's a simple, just to make it understand. I put it as first problem. Do you want to write this? Please respond.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
All right. So we'll discuss this and then we'll stop. It's 11:40. So translate the triangle 4 units left, okay, and 5 units down. 4 units left and 5 units down. So this is 2, 4, B is 3, 1, and C is 5, 5. Okay. So can you check that? What will be resulting vectors? 4 units left. Okay, that is -4, and 5 units down, that is -5. So the new point or new coordinates are A dash will become 2, 2 -4 and 4 -5. So that is -2, -1. Then this point B will become 3 -4 and 1 -5. That is minus 1 minus 4, and this 5 comma 5 will become 5 minus 4 comma 5 minus 5, that is 1 comma 0. Okay, and the resulting figure will be something like this. Okay, if you draw those points, it is like this. Okay, such questions can be asked. Rotate or translate a triangle by certain amount. Everybody understood why we subtracted it, not added?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That,
Because we
Yes,
are
sir.
going down.
yeah, we are going to the left. That means we are in opposite direction as that of original. That means we'll have to subtract that point. And again, we are coming down. So that also we'll have to subtract. If you are going above this figure, that means above it,
plus.
then you will have to add those components. Okay. So this is translation, isn't it? Tx, ty. Tx is your minus 4, ty is your minus 5. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tx is minus 4 and ty is minus 5. All right, so such questions can be asked. You may find some square, then translate this square by certain amount to left, right, up, down, and so on. Such questions will be there. All right, so it's 11:43. May I stop sharing the screen? We'll continue with this next time. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Have you mentioned your name and roll number in chat
Yes,
box?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, please do that, or else
Done,
you will
sir.
be marked absent because I don't have other record.
Sir, can you leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.